Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Rashida from my channel Harshavin. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use dishwasher. And if you are interested in this video, please proceed further. So guys, I'm using Defy Dishwasher. So you can see my dishwasher now, it is fully loaded. So all the utensils are stained, as you can see now. So I'm using Mr. Sheen dishwasher tablets. You can use any brand one. So I'm gonna put here and I'm gonna lock it. If you're using different dishwasher, all the programs will be exactly similar. So I'm using Defy dishwasher. So here there are buttons called an echo 70 degrees Celsius, but I always prefer for quick and shine, which is of 60 degrees Celsius. And guys, you can see that is a salt indicator, which is indicated by red light. If there is no enough salt, then it is indicated with the red light. Once my utensils is washed properly, then it will give this forward arrow with the red light. It indicates it's an end of cycle. Now I'll open and you can see now all the utensil crockeries are well washed. Once you open the dishwasher, you can feel the hotness, where you can see all the utensils are cleaned properly such that there is no odor remained. So I'm just showing, you can see how it is well washed. So guys, if you have any queries related to programs of this dishwasher or any blockages in dishwasher, you can comment me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. Thank you so much.